Penguins Marching 2 by 2, Unit 6, Module 2, Session 3. Today we will solve addition story problems with sums to 20 involving situations of adding to and putting together, solve story problems involving addition of 3 whole numbers whose sum is less than or equal to 20, use strategies to add with sums to 20, count by twos to 20, group and count objects by twos, reason abstractly and quantitatively, and look for and make use of structure. Here we go. Today our penguin friends are going to help learn more about adding numbers to 20. 3 penguins each lay 2 eggs. Help me fill in the 10 frame to match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, we can show this on the number rack too. Feel free to pause the video and get your number rack or Rec and Rec that you made the other day to use with this lesson. Or get some counters, whatever works. Okay, 5 penguins each lay 2 eggs. Help me fill in the 10 frame to match. I do know in advance there's an error on this slide. That first dot goes behind the 10 frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 penguins lay 2 eggs equals 10. Let's show the same thing on the number rack. Excellent. Okay, now we're moving on to a double 10 frame. That means we are going to be 10 and some more. 7 penguins each lays 2 eggs. Let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 7 penguins laying 2 eggs each equals 14. Let's show the same on our number rack. 7 on top, 7 on the bottom. 9 penguins each lay 2 eggs. Let's count by twos again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 18 eggs were laid by 9 penguins. Let's show the same on our number rack. 9 on the top, 9 on the bottom. Okay, if you haven't already, go get your number rack or something to use as counters. We're going to work with pairs and doubles today using our penguin friends as they learn to march together. Here are 6 penguins milling about. Can they each march in pairs? Show me on your number rack or use your number rack to help solve the story problem. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. If I have 3 on top, 4, 5, 6. They each have a partner. So yes, they can march in pairs. Here are 8 penguins milling about. Can they each march in pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. There are 4 on top, 4 on the bottom. They can march in pairs. These are even numbers, even Steven. They can be split equally into 2 parts. Here are 9 penguins milling about. Can they march in pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on top, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can they march in pairs? No, this friend doesn't have a partner. So 4 plus 4 we know equals 8. So this is a double plus 1 more. 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 1 more equals 9. We have 4 groups of 2 plus 1 more single penguin. I can double the number of groups, which is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more equals 9. We call this doubles plus 1. Okay, the student book page is on the website. Take a moment to print it off, or you can do this on your own paper. Okay, the penguins are learning how to march in pairs. Can you help them? This is the number of penguins. Do all the penguins have a partner? 10. What's the double? Yes, 10 equals 5 plus 5. 7 penguins. Will they all have a partner? No. 7 equals 3 plus 3 plus 1 more. 3 plus 3 equals 6, plus 1 more equals 7. We have 6 penguins. Do they all have a partner? What's the double? Yes. 3 plus 3 equals 6. How about 12? Will they all have a partner? Remember, use your number rack or whatever you're using to count to help you solve these equations. 12. Is the number even? Yes. 12 equals 6 plus 6. 8. Is that an even number? Yes. They will all have a partner. The double is 8 equals 4 plus 4. 13 penguins. Will they all have a partner? Let's look at that. I see a 3 right here. 3 can't be broken in half equally, so they will not all have a partner. The answer is no. 13 equals, what's the nearest double? 6 plus 6 plus 1 more equals 13. 15 penguins. Can I break 5 into 2 equal parts? No, I cannot. So they will not all have a partner. 15 equals, what's the nearest double? 7 plus 7 plus 1 more equals 15. 1 too many clicks. 14. Can I break 4 in half? Yes, of course. so they will all have a partner. 14 equals 7 plus 7. How about 9? Can I break that into 2 equal parts? Nope, I cannot. So they will not all have a partner. The nearest double to 9 is 4 plus 4 plus 1 more. 11 penguins. Can I break 1 into 2 equal parts? No. If we're talking fractions, yes, but we are not talking fractions today. So we can't have half a penguin marching. So no, they won't all have a partner. 11 equals, the nearest double is 5 plus 5 plus 1 more. How about 18 penguins? Will they all have a partner? Can I divide 8 into 2 equal parts? Yes, I can. So they will all have a partner. 18 equals 9 plus 9. Last one, 16. Can I divide 6 into 2 equal parts? Absolutely. So the answer is yes, they will all have a partner. 16 equals 8 plus 8. Great job, everybody. That's it for today, and I will see you again on Monday.